Good afternoon. This panel is GST panel 200-2/1 Intelligent Fire Alarm Control Panel. So I will teach you how to take history of this GST panel. Just to go to the log button, I will show the history. Then go up or down 25th 4. So like that it will show. For example, zone 31 monitor module is showing a panel fire. Okay, like that you will get history of this panel. If you want to silent, you can silent it, but if you want to reset, you will have to put the password of 8 times 1. This one, total 8 times 1. When you put this password only, you can silent and reset the panel. Okay, thank you.